Hiya, my name's Chloe, as you know from my other videos. Today I'm going to be singing, hang on while I find it because I forgot what it's called. She Will Be Loved by Maroon 5. So here we go. Hope you like it. Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her, she always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want you more. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile, ask her if she wants to stay, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Tap on my window, knock on my door. I want to make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure, doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies, it's compromise that moves us along. My heart is full and my door is open, you can come anytime. I don't mind spending every day out in the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile, ask her if she wants to stay, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Thank you.